Hey y'all, it's what? Welcome to another Artsy studio vlog. We are gonna jump straight in to tufting the rest of this. I'm very, very excited. I'm also, I'm nervous to see how I feel after because I do think that it's going to be a lot. But maybe it'll be great. Maybe it'll be perfectly fine. Oh man. Let me zoom you in so that we get some great detail. We're gonna finish this. We're gonna finish this. I also have my other camera behind you to film the rest of this, for a video. You know what I was also thinking? I was giving Winifred, but also Sid the Sloth. I don't even know what I was also thinking, so I'm just gonna go and do my job. I forgot to turn on my other camera. Well, I have to thread. Actually, I think it's already threaded. I think we're ready. Alright. Okay. Alright. Here we go. Bop, bop, bop. Oh my. I bet all the lighting settings are broken. Y'all, I tried to, get you to see all the things, like the sky and the trees and the leaves. But man, oh man, does it not want to do that. Are you better? Yeah, you look alright. You look alright. Yeah, the weather today is beautiful. It's like peak fall. New England foliage is in full bloom, and I wanted to take full advantage of that and take some really freaking great pictures. I'm gonna post them tomorrow, so as you're watching this video, they're probably already up on my Instagram. Yeah, they're beautiful. Beautiful, perfect. And then I wanted to take a video so that I could post that as like a reveal sort of video. Anyway, yeah, that kind of took a pause out of working on the rug, but I got pretty far. Look at that. We're looking pretty good. Yeah, I don't know. I'm probably gonna tuft up to where I did on the bottom here. I don't know. I'm gonna try to finish this rug today, but we got a lot done today. I mean, I had to edit the vlog this morning to get it out today. The previous one before this one, make the thumbnail, prep it, blah 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 blah. This is a pretty productive day. Hey, welcome to the next day. Let's finish the rest of this rug. Oh, look at the colors. Yeah, we've got this. Okay, we're gonna finish this. What is that? I just need to set up my camera on the other side. All right, we're ready to blast off. How come cameras don't have a thing where, they beep and they make all kinds of sounds, whatever, and you can turn that on or off? Well, how come they don't have an option for you to turn on something where it's like, I'm about to die? You know what I mean? Batteries on red. It were like, batteries on red. That'd be so great. Alright, well, I was hoping, but it didn't make it. Means I'm gonna have to figure out this. Well, I wound up that little bit that was left over, and then I also found a little bit extra, so I'm hoping this will get us there. I made some progress. I thought you were watching. I'm really sorry about that. Oh, yeah. Anyway, made some progress with the roll that I found, but I ran out of the other roll. So now I think I have some here, but like, look at it. I did it, and I'm kind of shocked. Wowie wow. We've done it. Here it is, in all of its perfect, amazing, beautiful glory. Wow, it's so freaking cute. I was just cleaning everything up and moving things to the side because I've like shoved all of my stuff in the corner like 10 times in preparation to possibly get the slider door installed. We'll see. But let's hope that the next time I see you, I have a slider door. I mean, I suppose the next time I see you, I should have a slider door in here. I'm gonna end the studio vlog here. By the way, I did start the other version of this, and I don't know if I'm necessarily gonna like film it for a post or anything, or I don't know, because it's basically the same exact thing as this one, besides the pink. So I may start filming a thing when the pink and the black happen, you know what I mean? I'm also gonna hopefully, while the door is getting installed, I'm hopefully going to get some more designs drawn up. I definitely want to do a fall leaf like runner rug just like this one, but with fall leaves. I think it's just gonna be so pretty. I can already picture it. And it's really great. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this studio vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like. Leave me a comment down below. It really helps me out. You can follow me in all of these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman besides Tumblr and Twitch, which is the Artsymadwoman. I have links for basically everything in the one link to rule them all down below in the description, which also includes a link to my new favorite toy, just in case you were interested in checking it out. I love you guys to absolute death, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!